My Tesla Model X, this is built off of air suspension, and I was getting a lot of creaking going on, especially over there on the driver wheel. So I took it over to Tesla, and they wanted to charge me north of $500 in order to do that, but I wasn't feeling that. So I went online and I found this kit. It's an air gun grease kit, and I'm going to show you today how you can take care of this for approximately $50. Don't worry, I'm going to leave everything down in the description box below. Today, I'm going to share with you exactly how to do it and also some before and after shots. So not only are we going to install this, then we're going to see if this really works. So let's go on and get right to the video. So the first thing that we want to do is take off the suspension. So we're just going to go on and rise it all the way up. And you hear that sound, right? And so this is what we're looking at. So it came in two different parts. The kit, this is the canister, and all I did was screwed on the black hose right here, and it's just self-explanatory. I screwed that in, and here on the end, I had purchased the needle separate. You can see in there that the needle is right there. All I did was loosen this up a little bit, and this plugged right in, and I just tightened it right back up, and you can see right now the needle is secure. I purchased some heavy duty grease. So all we're going to do is come at the top. We're going to take our finger and we're just going to pop this right on off. And after that, we're going to put it into the canister. Cap on the bottom is going to come off as well. So be careful when you take this off, because whenever you take it off, you see the grease is there. So just don't pull it, but in case if it's going to try to drop out a little bit. What we're going to do, you see where there's a gap here. This is a design flaw. The reason that we're getting a lot of the squeaking, because water can get up here and get in between here. So we're just going to come right here with a line and push it all the way in and begin to pump it with the grease. So now this is what we're looking at. This was flat before. Now we filled this whole thing up with oil, but it's coming out on this side. So just for cosmetic purposes, what I'm about to do is just gonna wipe that right off, just so it just look better. But you see it's still oozing out on this side. So that's just telling me that this whole thing right here is filled with the grease now, which is a good thing. All right, so now this is after we did it. So we're gonna go and turn the wheel. But you can tell the difference. So there you have it. This right here did work wonders. Remember, I'm leaving everything in the description box below, and check out more videos over there. All things about your Tesla and your finances, and I will see you in the next video.